Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today, doing the fifth string, A. All right. Also, we're going to be getting a little bit into the ledger lines, as we could see. Let's take a quick look up on the board here. All right. Here, these are the ledger lines. Little review. If this is the first line, it's E, and we know that. And going backwards now with the alphabet, the space is D, the line would be C, the space would be B, and now we add another line, and that's how we get A. On the guitar, open string, hands in position. All right, oh, excuse me, let's get the pick out. All right, oops. Okay, the A. All right, open string. Also remember with the pick here, pick falls. Let's get that up a little closer again. When the pick rests on the string below. You do this, hear the difference in the sound? Okay, that's A. O. If you have the Mel Bay book, which I hope you do, we're on page 17. All right, next note, B. Okay, B, as you could see, again, there's a ledger line, but the note, you see the line's not going through the note, so we know that that note is in a space. Okay, quick backwards alphabet, line E, space D, line C, space B. B is your second finger, second fret. Okay, got to look at that. All right, we're close to the fret. All right, same thing here. Follow through with the pick. That's the note B. Moving on, and I hope I don't fall back here. The C. All right, notice that the ledger line is going through. Again, E, a space would be D, and then the note or the line through is C. All right, this is what it looks like. All right, again, another quick review. This is why when I was talking about, using the pencil and holding it like this for the hand position, as we get to the lower notes, all right, if you're like this, and especially if you have small hands, you have to shift. We don't want to shift. We want to let our fingers do the walking. Okay? Just a little quick review. Anyway, that's the three notes on the A string. Now with your Mel Bay book, when you turn the page and you go to page 18, you'll see that there's the quarter note review, and there'll be a couple of pieces, Buffalo Gals, another tune called Chester. All right. And there, now at this point, you should be able to play this no matter how slow, but you should be able to play it and work out, the quarter note, the half note, where all these other notes are. Reminder, metronome. Okay, you set it, I have it at 50. If I could turn it on. Okay, give yourself 4 before you start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you start your playing. Okay, and put the syllable in between the number. That's really important because, as I always say, it's got to swing. All right, that's it for the A string. Okay, if you like what you hear, please, and subscribe. Questions, comments below, just fire them at me. Thank you very much and enjoy your day.